Finding a standard mockup always difficult. Instead, make a mockup for your own using Photoshop. Here are 3 quick ways to make a social media mockup. So without any further ado, let's get started. To make a social media header mockup, firstly make a background using Shape tool. Make it white. Again, select Shape tool for header and profile picture. Adjust a bit. Add stroke on circle. Secondly, add your desired logo. In case I am using X logo, and add arrow icon. And make search button using Shape tool. Thirdly, add your desired text into it. As an example, I am adding username and display name. Lastly, add following button and message icon. Make sure to subscribe and follow this channel for further content.